Hey guys, Javen here. So in today's video, I want to show you a really easy hack to not use any hair products at all while making your hair still stay upwards and backwards. Stay tuned. Hope you guys are having a fantastic day. If you haven't already, smash that subscribe button, click the bell notification icon, stay tuned for more videos. So I'm not someone who really enjoys wearing hair products, and the reason being is because, especially since I live in Canada, I only shower once a day. Just so you know, my perspective on this topic will change if I live in Malaysia, for example, because Malaysia is a hot and humid country. So when I wake up, I do shower, and then before I sleep, I do shower again because, throughout the entire day, you do sweat a lot in Malaysia. However, I do live in Canada full time, and over here, I only shower once a day, and sometimes I don't even wash my hair every day. This is why I really like wearing my cap, and the reason being is, you can see, after wearing my cap right after the shower, my hair will dry in a place of upwards and backwards. As you can see, my hair is not really falling to my forehead. My process to having hair that does not stick to your forehead is really simple. Right after the shower, you want to dry your hair with a towel, and immediately after that, you wear a cap. You can either wear it like this, you can wear it like this, but whatever you do, every time you wear the hat to make your hair push backwards, you want to make sure that the alignment of your hair, for example, here's my left hair going this way, and then here's my right hair going to the right. We want to make sure that you are holding this hair and then wearing the cap accordingly. And when you do this, after your hair is dry, your hair will pretty much stay in place as so. Now, obviously, this method will not lock your hair in place all day. If you go out and you do anything of running, or the wind blows into your face, your hair will move around. But the whole point of this video is just to show you guys that you do not always need to wear hair products before going out. You see, even right now, my hair is out of my face, and I'm happy to go out like this. Some updates on my life is that I do drink protein powder now every time after I work out. Hopefully I can look like Popeyes one day. Now naturally, since I'm right-handed, my left arm is still smaller than my right arm. Actually, it's a big difference. Because, I use this arm to play tennis, play badminton. This is my dominant arm that I do everything in. So naturally, it will just be bigger than my left arm. But hopefully I can work up to the point where both my arms are the same size, and working out is healthy too, so that's what I do. Anyway, stay tuned for next time.